Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Kuromi as screen. So first we're going to get started with our mouth. So in the center we're going to start by drawing in a nice big oval in the middle. For the nose now, starting at a point in the center, coming up above, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And now let's move over on the right, starting at a point again, curving this line around and then back up. For the eyes now, coming over on the right, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then starting on the right hand side again, we're going to curve this line around, bringing that up on the inside. Let's move over on the left hand side now, and we're going to curve this line around, back in. And then from that point, we're just going to arch this line back around and then up towards the top. Now from here, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines that come out for the eyelashes. Let's draw in the face shape now. So coming over further towards the right, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then from that point, we're just going to again curve this line over towards the side. From that point now, we're going to arch this line back around and then in. And then moving over on the left, we're going to curve this line around, bringing it back in towards the middle. For the chin, we're going to close this off with a nice big arch line from left to right. Let's move up now, and for the skull, we're going to draw in a curved line, arching that line around, ending that at the same height. Underneath, we're going to curve this line up, and we're going to do this 3 times in total. Now for the eyes, we're going to draw in 2 ovals on a diagonal on both sides, joining in towards the center. Now coming over on the left hand side, let's draw in the hand holding in the knife first. So for the thumb, we're going to draw in a small circle. And then moving up around this on a diagonal, we're going to curve this line around, back in. Let's draw in 2 diagonal lines that come out towards the side. And then from here on the top, we're just going to curve this line down. Again, underneath now, we're going to draw in 2 more diagonal lines that come across. And then we're going to close this off with a curved line from top to bottom. Moving around that, we're going to curve this line around and then in. For the blade of the knife now, we're going to curve this line over and then down. From that point, we're going to curve this line around and then back in. And then from here on the bottom, we're just going to draw in a straight line across. And then in the middle, another straight line that comes out. Now let's draw in the shape of the head. It's coming over on the left-hand side above the knife here. Let's curve this line around. And we're going to bring this in towards the middle. And then now from here, starting back on this line, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then in on the bottom. Let's curve this line in on the bottom again, meeting that in the center. Coming down underneath, we're going to draw in a small circle. And then coming across on the left-hand side, we'll replicate that. Now from here on the inside, we're going to curve this line in towards our chin. And then again, moving across, we're going to curve this line up towards the top. Now coming up for the ears, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that arches up on the right-hand side. From that point, we're going to bring this diagonal line over towards the right. Leaving a gap, we're going to bring this diagonal line down on the right-hand side. And now from this point, we're going to draw in another diagonal line that comes in on the side. On the top now, we're going to curve this line around, back in. Let's move across on the left, bringing this diagonal line up. On the top, we're going to bring another diagonal line that comes out towards the side. Leaving a gap, we're going to bring our diagonal line out on the left. And then from that point, we're going to bring another diagonal line that comes in on the top. And then now from the side, we're just going to curve this line around and then in. Now from here for the feet, we're going to come down and we're going to draw in a oval for the left foot. We're going to curve this line over and in on the left-hand side. For the arm, we're going to bring this diagonal line up and then down. From that point, we're going to curve this line back up. And then again, we're going to curve this line over and then back in towards the top. To the right of this now, we're going to curve this line down. We're going to arch this line in towards the bottom. We're going to curve this line over. From that point now, we're going to curve this line in and then across. And then again, one more time, bringing that down and then up. Now on the top right-hand side, we're going to curve this line over. From that point now, we're going to curve this line around and then in. For the hand, we're going to draw in a small circle connecting that from left to right. On the top, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes up. And then again, we're going to just draw in the letter V on the bottom. And that is it. That's how you draw Kuromi as Scream. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.